We are off to Wales, to Eryri National Park, for a very last minute impulsive getaway for a long weekend, because it's my birthday and it's Cole's birthday and I didn't want to spend it at home. And so we're off to a little cottage with a fire, and we'll do a few hikes, nothing big, just like a few 3 or 4 milers. That's about it, because I mostly just want to chill out with my family and play board games around a fire, and do a few hikes. We are in our lovely little cottage. The dogs have been out for their walk, and so now we're just getting settled, and I'll give you a little tour. Apologies to all Welsh people because I'm probably about to butcher this name, but this is a lovely circular walk around Beddgelert. It's only about half an hour long, and it goes straight from the cottage, which is brilliant if you just want to stretch your legs after the long drive and walk your dogs. It loops around the river, crosses over a bridge, and then loops back again, and you actually pass Gelert's grave. But go and visit Gelert's grave. It's a heartbreaking story, and it needs to be seen. The other nice thing about this little walk is that at the end it actually walks back through the village, so that you can stop like we did and grab some logs for the fire or any bits that you need for dinner or breakfast the next morning.
We have just arrived in Wales and whatnot. We're on a little walk to get the dogs out. Like, it's our cottage, little cozy cottage in our little village is like just about over there. Whoop, can I not fall? This is all for me and Mom's birthday. So tomorrow, which is my birthday, we're probably just gonna like do nothing, probably. Go for a hike, maybe play a board game, have some pizza, probably. Yeah, should be nice.